Yeah, hi Jillian. Good to see you.
You too.
Thanks for creating time out of your busy schedule to meet with me today. And yeah, I'm based here in Sacramento, California. My name is Henry Onowale. I'm originally from Nigeria, and I have some interesting questions for you. I'm an AI coach, an AI transformation leader, and also an AI enthusiast. And I've been doing a lot of research of how AI can transform different industries. And one of them is the health and fitness industry. Then my question is, I have like two questions for you.
Okay.
Given your extensive experience in the health and fitness, how do you see AI transforming that industry, which is one? And the second is, with the advent of AI, do you think the AI virtual trainer would be a major competitor for the
For you?
existing fitness
Yeah.
app? Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Where do I even begin? Um, okay. Obviously, I think in the future, yes, it's going to be a major source of competition. I think right now, you have a fundamental problem with fact check, and we've seen major bias issues. And and that deeply concerns me. I don't think the tech is there at all yet because it's my understanding, and you can correct me, and I'm certainly not an AI expert, that it scrapes the web. And so it kind of spits out what's popular, but not necessarily what's true. And I think once I have listened to guys like Michio Kaku talk about if we could blend AI with quantum computing, you would have this unlimited creativity and intelligence, but with a fact check built in. So that's really where, I worry a little bit. However, whenever I talk to different experts in medicine who are focused on the space, they tell me that it's going to be revolutionary, that AI can track like all of your allergies and your this and your that and know when you need to
Yes.
take medications and all of this different stuff almost is like an assistant of sorts. So I think it's absolutely going to get where you're talking about, but I don't
Okay.
know when. And the fact check piece is a problem. I can tell you in my business, we use it
Okay.
um, for a host of different things, even social posts. It's like, can you create this image for me of
Mm.
collagen, looking like a waterfall? And so we've been exploring it across the board. I just don't know the timeline of it. I think you probably know that one way better than me.
Yeah,
But
definitely.
it's inevitable, absolutely.
Yeah, thanks for the insight. I think it's going to happen soon. Due to the huge interest of, will I say, some of the AI founders, prominent founder like Sam Altman. I don't know if you saw it on the news that he traveled to the United Arab Emirates looking for investors who could invest about $1 trillion in order to kind of develop, some advanced AI application. And I can tell you it's moving very fast. And as someone in the industry, I'll tell you one of the most of the top organizations in the banking industry, like Chase Bank, like Wells Fargo, like US Bank, they are like investing billions of dollars. And I can tell you they're actually positioning themselves for this AI revolution. And also the pharma industry and the biopharm, like Pfizer and the rest of them, they're also investing billions of dollars into AI technology itself. And where individuals like me actually come in, as someone who has huge experience, in IT experience, and has been in the industry for more than a decade, then what I did was to develop an e-learning platform that will equip individuals with AI knowledge. And how do I come in? What gap am I bridging? There is this fear that AI is going to take a lot of jobs. Then what I did was to develop a content where individuals who are non-technical, who cannot write code, can become AI professionals. They can become AI consultants. They can become AI technology advisor. They
That's
can
really
become
smart.
AI.
definitely think it's going to have to be learning how to drive that ship, so to speak, in order to
Yeah, because there is a
job
no,
market. 100%.
yeah, because there's a notion out there that if you cannot code, you can be a part of the team that will help an organization to implement AI. I can tell you it is a capital no. Then without these business players who are non-technical, AI cannot be drive within an organization. Then you need this business player who are non-technical, like the AI technology advisor, the AI strategist, or the AI digital strategy consultant, or the AI risk and ethics specialist. And that comes with what you said about the biasness of AI. And as a result of these risks involved with implementing AI, a lot of organizations are kind of slowing down on it. But I can tell you, currently, Google and other technology providers are developing some application that will help to manage those risks, those biased nature of
Mm,
artificial intelligence outputs.
that's very cool. How exciting.
Yeah, I guess we're in a great moment. And I'll tell you that my advice I used to tell a lot of people that you should not stare at it and say, oh, will AI come? Man, is here. And the earlier, the better you start training your staffs and you start looking into those technology. And you also start looking AI as a competitor.
Yeah. Oh,
Because at a point, AI virtually will be able to do a lot of things. And let us use Amazon, for instance. Amazon, for right now, they are bringing in robots to actually work in a warehouse. I can tell you, Amazon is one of the organizations that are leveraging robots to actually kind of eliminate most of the jobs given to the regular employees.
that is crazy. That is just wild. I do think you're right. I think it's going to absolutely require somebody to guide, like if you're a creative, for example, telling AI what you want it to create because it's going to create it all for you.
Yes.
So I'm very excited to see what the future holds. I'm with you. I don't fully understand it, but I'm on board.
Great. Just one final last question. You said you've been using AI in different aspects of your business. Can you pinpoint one or two things, how AI has, been efficient in terms of helping to scale your business, probably in the area of providing better customer experience, or in the area of providing better services, and in the area of kind of reducing, the time in the area of probably providing a kind of service to your clients or your customers.
Well, one of the things that we do is have it write copy. So, for example, when we're in a hurry, I just this morning I used it and I was like, "Can you give me a spring smoothie that's under X amount of calories, incorporate collagen, and I can't remember what else I asked it. Make the recipe for one, something like that." And it spit it out, and then I was like, "Can you remove the banana?" And kicked it back, went on Shutterstock, found an image, double checked it that I liked everything in it, and fired it off.
Give me a second.
And my partners use it I don't fully understand this, but I do know they use it to check efficiencies within our ad placement strategy on Meta.
Okay.
And I'm like, oh my God. They're like, yeah, we ran it through the AI to check efficiencies. I'm like, oh, okay. Like
I see.
but different people in my business are utilizing it differently. But for me, it's just so much easier than being like, oh God, how about like a kiwi? Yeah, yeah. How about a half a banana? Okay. Milk of choice, yeah. Like I don't even need to think about it. I ask it and spits it out. I triple check that I like everything in it. If I wanted to add or remove, I tell it. It takes me a minute instead of 20. And it's awesome.
Great. Yeah. Lastly, I just want to tell you, before jumping on this call, I spoke to my team. I said, is there like a free service we can actually, provide to Jillian Michaels Fitness Hub organization? Then, if you guys are open, we are willing to provide some kind of training to your employees on how they can implement AI in their day-to-day activities. That is one. And the way we're going to do that is to actually assess the current business use case. And with that, we can provide some recommending technology on how they can leverage AI. And lastly, we also help them to develop some kind of risk framework in order not to be exposed to the risks involved with using AI technology. Yeah. Then if you are willing for this, we'll be ready to offer the service.
I love it. Yes, send all your information. I would love it.
Great. Yeah. I guess one member of the JT Force probably can coordinate with you, and yeah, we can have a follow-up on that.
Absolutely, I would love it.
Great. Thanks. Thanks for accepting that. Yeah, I
I
appreciate it.
appreciate it.